What the fuck's squeaking over here?
What's up, everyone? We're back and we got some HSP used mounts. Really, I'll tell you in a second why. Got the bars, so got these from my buddy Zach. I'll link him down below in his truck and his Instagram. But right now we're at Steve's and we're gonna put them on. So I'm excited. So I got all the nuts and bolts, hopefully, and get her all mounted. So we got her on that side. She went on pretty easy. The back, I just took off. That's what I'm doing right here, is just putting on the rear mount. 24 millimeter socket and impact. This is actually taking it off, which is kind of nice. But putting her on, and then we'll put the bars back on, get her all tightened up, and then we'll get her lined up front. Shouldn't be too bad. I've just been using one of these step ones, metal one. Make sure you got a sharp one because it's nice and easy. Then I went to a bigger one, but yeah, I'm getting all the bolts in, and she looks sick on the other side. Pretty nice. Back kind of night or daytime now. I had to run out of time and kind of had to jerry it so I can get on there. But we're gonna put the bolts in right here. Make sure you have some blue thread locker, and we'll get her on. And that side's already on, so I'll show you. It looks amazing. It's crazy. It looks sick. Sorry, it's kind of freaking windy, but here they are. They're all installed. It looks sick. I gotta clean them off a little bit more. Wow, not too much, but they're kind of rattling. And I found out because this is all HSP stuff, and so the bolts are 5/8 by 11, I think. All the instructions, everything's on their website, but the bolts are too small for the inner diameter of the Heim joints, which later on I'll fix these, but right now, just to make them work and get them through, it's a little clanky. So I've been looking for sleeves or something to go inside there, you know, just to put the bolt through, and it's like a little rubber bushing that will go inside there and make it the hole bigger. And I kind of went everywhere and I couldn't find it. So also too, as you should probably know, is get some thread locker on there always. But so it would shake. So hold on, let me pull this out, I'll show you. So you just hear this because the bolt's too small. And I get a bigger bolt, but I'm worried the holes are different. So that too, so it affects that. So what I've been doing and what I did up front actually helped a ton. So I did that, and so I did it was I got a little round, I couldn't find one, so I went and got a little round rubber bushing or rubber washer. And so at first I tried sticking it all in there and it was too much, so then I just cut it in half and I put it in there, and I put them in and it stops because it's just so tight in there. Now it doesn't want to move, like barely anything, because it's not all the way on. But I'll show you what it sounds like when I put it on, but it helps a ton. These are only like 30 cents at Ace Hardware. So put it back on and drive it through some more, because the front stopped. The front stopped making noises, and I was like, oh crap. So then it was like, oh, it's still making noise, but, and I found out it was the rear one because I could move it and it was like ding, 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 ding. So we're gonna do this and it should solve it. Here, back, I put those things on, and listen. Nothing. I'm shaking. Nothing's going on. So they affirm, they used to, like, you literally wouldn't have to touch them that much and they would like rattle like, and now I can, like, they are stiff, which is what we want. Okay, we're back, and after a couple of miles we put on here, she is amazing and she hooks up hard. I've done like probably 2 burnouts, which I wish I got a video of it, and it does make the truck stiffer. It's not gonna be like the best ride you've ever had anymore, but for what it does, you kind of need it, and especially with these drills, it's definitely much needed. But like I said, the brackets are front eye brackets are HSP, so I'm kind of not like gonna be fake about it. But yeah, these are Reaper bars, which they're not supposed to go on this kit, but it works and it's fine, and I got them for a price I couldn't beat. It's not that bad though, really. And just make sure you have really good bits, and you're gonna burn up your arms, because I got burns right there still, and this has been like almost 2 weeks now. So yeah, make sure you wear some long sleeve shirts, and yeah, get a good drill bit and you'll be good. It doesn't take too long. It was actually pretty easy, so can't complain. I love them. I'll have to do some more videos soon. It's just kind of to finish the video. It's not that bad of an install. It's really easy, so I'll definitely recommend them to anyone that wants them. I might get them repowder coated. Tell me what you think, what color I should go with. Might still do blue, but maybe the second color would be good. But let me know.